Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Clarendon and we are giving you an update on the May Pen Interchange that is being built. Now, Highway 2000 is to run from Kingston to Montego Bay. The main idea behind the highway was to connect both international airports in Jamaica. But because of the cost, it was decided to build the highway in sections. So the Kingston to May Pen section is open, it's up and running, and what we're looking at now is the construction of the May Pen to Mandeville leg of the highway. Now, May Pen is a large town in Clarendon. It's the largest town in Clarendon. It's a center of activity in Clarendon. And it also is going to have 2 exits and entrances from Highway 2000. So what we're looking at now is, okay, to get into May Pen, you have 3 main entrances. One by Mineral Heights, by the Bustamante Highway, the roundabout, and there is there's an entrance and an exit at that road for the highway. That one was up and running. It was part of the existing highway. But they're building another one now, which is what we're looking at, by the Glenmuir Road entrance to May Pen. And this is the actual interchange, the actual ramp that would take you up to the highway. So if you're coming from Mandeville to May Pen, this ramp that we're driving on now is actually, if you were to get on the highway from May Pen and head towards Kingston, you'd actually be heading towards the May Pen toll plaza, or you'd be heading towards, from Glenmuir Drive, you'd get on the highway here and you'd be heading towards the Rio Mino Bridge. So this will give you an excellent view of what the highway is going to look like. Now, this highway is over 95% complete and it's scheduled to open in August of this year. Now, this highway was to have opened in March or April of this year. And one of the reasons why they said the highway was delayed to August is to build this interchange. Now, it's very, very peculiar or strange, because while we said earlier there's another entrance and exit to the highway by the Mineral Heights side of May Pen, it's not a full interchange, meaning if you're coming from Kingston and heading to Mandeville, you have an exit to come off the highway and go down to Mineral Heights and go into May Pen. But if you're coming from, and you can get on the highway from Mineral Heights, but only if you are going towards Kingston. So if you were getting onto the highway and want to go to Mandeville, there was no entrance to go in that direction. From Mineral Heights, you get on the highway and you go to Kingston. So that's why I say it's a bit strange that this interchange that we're looking at now that's being built was not a part of the original highway. I'm not sure how they could have overlooked that. But nonetheless, if you're coming from Mandeville, you can exit in May Pen at this interchange, and then you can get back on the highway and head towards Kingston. This interchange is going to be just like the one in Old Harbour. When you're on the highway, you can exit. There's no toll plaza to go into Old Harbour. You can get back on the highway without having to go through a toll plaza on both sides of the road for Old Harbour. And the same thing is going to happen here in May Pen. You can come off the highway, go into May Pen, get back on the highway, and don't have to go through a toll plaza. Now, the highway is trying to attract more people. So they're putting in more entrances, and basically they're trying to get more people to use it. And from May Pen to Mandeville is going to be 15 minutes on the highway, and the toll is going to be below $500. So this interchange is being built. There you can see what the highway is going to look like. And there's another section of this road that I think they need to look back at. When the highway 2000, this highway merges with the Melrose Hill bypass, it's like you have 4 lanes merging into 2 lanes, and where they merge is a small section. I'm not sure what the original plan was with that intersection, but you can check it out. We have videos up of that, the Melrose Hill bypass section of the highway, and we'll keep you updated as they make changes there. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us today. And before we go, the way the Old Harbor entrance or interchange works has helped to make Old Harbor one of the fastest growing towns in Jamaica, because you can get off the highway quite easily, don't have to go through a toll plaza, and get back on the highway quite easily. And that's the same thing they're going to do here in May Pen. So it will definitely help with the traffic going through May Pen. Alright guys, we'll keep you updated on this project. We are going to give you weekly videos. We're going to try and put them up every Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, every Wednesday on this project, because August is just around the corner. It's 7 weeks away. So we're going to give you weekly updates on this project. And we're also going to give you weekly updates on the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. And that one is from Harborview to Yalos. That project is also going to finish in August of this year, 7 weeks away. So we'll keep you updated with weekly videos. We're going to try and put those up every Tuesday. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour with us. Have a good day.